Here I have OPPO Find X5 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode in camera on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button power saving mode. So by tapping on it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. So for example you can turn off it automatically when your device is up to 19% charged. You can turn on at a specific battery level, and here you can select this battery level. Or wait. So here you have also device default optimizations, like you can reduce screen brightness, change auto screen off to 15 seconds, disable background synchronization, and lower the screen refresh rate. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.